Many people with kidney disease wonder, can supplements protect your kidneys or slow decline? A few supplements may help in specific cases: keto analogs with very low protein diets, calcium citrate for certain metabolic needs, and prebiotic fibers like inulin to support gut health. Vitamin D, omega-3s, CoQ10, probiotics, and antioxidants don't consistently slow kidney disease. They may help for bone, heart, or metabolic health, but not as primary kidney therapy. Be careful with kidney detox herbs, high-dose antioxidants, and hydrogen-rich water. They can be harmful or have no proven benefit. The strongest evidence supports plant-forward, whole food diets. These lower mortality, slow kidney decline, and improve heart and metabolic health, far more than any single pill. Supplements can play a role in certain situations, but the best approach is a personalized diet guided by your nephrologist or renal dietitian. Read the blog to learn more, link in the description.